Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing video of the boAt SpinX 2.0R. Now this is a Bluetooth speaker which is portable and is quite the popular form factor for people who like to have their music on the go. Now when we spin the box onto the side, we can see a few specifications mentioned. It states it has Bluetooth 4.2, dual 6-watt drivers, gives up to 8 hours of bass-tastic music. It is mountable on tripods as well as bicycles. It has IPX6 rating for water-resistant design, and it has 360-degree stereo sound, which is something we should look. Then we have some interface options, and it says it's got a rugged build and all sorts of that. Behind we see someone holding the speaker, could be an ambassador, and not much on the side. So let's go ahead and open the seal on top. We have things on either side of the packaging. There's nothing else on the inside. I hope you can see that. Here we have Bluetooth speaker itself, wonderfully packaged, a little challenging to remove as well. We'll keep this to the side. Then we have an aux cable within the packaging. This seems to be fairly short, but for portable categories you don't need a really long cable. Then you have one leaflet which is highlighting its association with certain IPL cricket teams, as well as it's basically a little brochure of all the other products that boAt has. We're not going to go through all of them, but you can see what they are. And then we have another leaflet. This is basically a warranty claim card, and it doesn't require registration. It's just giving you all the information as to how you can go about claiming your warranty. So we'll keep these two on the side. Then we have a micro USB cable to USB 2.0. Again, this would be for charging the device. Then this another leaflet. This would happen to be the user manual for the SpinX 2.0R. You can see the overview, the LED indicators and all those things. And lastly, you have a pouch. That's quite nice to have. You can always protect your device by putting it in the pouch, although the pouch is a bit porous, but it fits comfortably nevertheless. So that was a brief unboxing of the boAt SpinX 2.0R. Thank you for watching.